All right, so hello traders. Hope you all had a great week. Saturday right now. We just thought that we'd give kind of like a quick crypto update and what's going on, things that we've been seeing, and of course just talk just in general since last time we gave an update, which was I think last Friday or Saturday, Sunday around here. Okay, and we were talking about how we see um, the price being pushed lower towards the lower range of this trading bound, okay, of this trading range here, and how the Bitcoin price is just basically consolidating right now in between these two major price bands. One's at just over 70,000, let's say 71,000, 72,000, and of course between the, let's call it 59, 60, 61K, that's where we're at right now, okay? If it makes it easier, look, I can go ahead and I can just for the video, I'm just gonna do this now. Okay, look, we can go ahead and we can add like another kind of demand, support, area, whatever you want to call it, right here. Okay, that we're seeing. And last time we spoke, we said that once it reaches the 60, it could even breach even a little bit before testing, the 58, 59 level, which kind of makes sense. As you guys can see over here, there was another small drop. And these drops tend to happen. Look, I'm going to go into the 4 hour right now. Just sometimes it's just a little bit easier. In general, just tip from me when you're looking at Bitcoin or any other crypto, because we're trading 24 hours a day, sometimes the 4 hours just gives a little better insight at times. Okay, my daily is not going to be sometimes in the same trading range as somebody else's daily from whatever, from China, from Japan, or from whatever. So that's why sometimes the 4 hours does give a little better picture. Again, this is in my eyes. Um, as we can see here, right now we've got right. So we had this drop. That's what we've been having this past week, which again, I do not think that it's something special, some catalyst that kind of pushed it down that no, I mean, you have to understand that there's just zones. Okay, you have demand zones, you have supply zones, especially when the price is in between ranges. Okay, and prices tend to kind of like to sit a little bit at certain levels before they decide which way they're going to be going. Okay, so this is totally natural. It's very, very normal to see that. And we put out this blue line up here, as we said that this is a uptrend support. Okay, we can have the one over there, the other one's a little bit further down from where it started, and this kind of is a key level, and we're right now reaching it. And what I would like to see is, first of all, we had this nice rebound from that line, and we're right now kind of in between this area. What I want to see is I want to see this being pushed higher towards the higher level of this range, which is above the 61K level. Okay, right now we're at almost there. We can say we're pretty much at that level, 60,983, whatever. It's gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down every 15 minutes. But in general, I want to see this uptrend line hold. Okay, and more importantly, I'm going to show you something um, that is also crucial. Is if all fails, okay? I mean, if we're going to see it puncturing down this uptrend line and, getting lower towards the 58, 59, and even lower than even towards, again, maybe testing this level right here, the 58,000, that candle. Again, this is a daily. You see these big wicks, so it could even try to puncture it. The main support cushion that I'd be looking at here is the 200 moving average on the daily chart. Okay, to me, I'm not stressing at all. So long as we're above this uptrend line, and so long we're above the 200 moving average on the daily. Um, I do think we're going to be dancing around these areas, and I do think that towards maybe the end of the week, we've got NFP coming out, non-farm payrolls, and that can definitely maybe have a certain change, more positive in the direction. And I do think that we had a reasonable PCE number that came out on Friday. Pretty much, in terms of data, economic data, it's been going in the way that pretty much economists and the market have predicted. that we're going to be getting obviously there's not going to be any more rate hikes. We're looking right now at when Jeremy Powell over at the Fed is going to start cutting rates. So I think that in generally speaking, right now we are in an uptrend still, and the main what really matters is these levels right now that we were going to be want to seeing it push above the 63, again the 61, 62 level, get back in this consolidation area here between the ranges, and possibly go for higher highs, 72. And again, I think that if we manage, and this is my belief that we will manage, it's going to be pushed up from here and towards, it's going to move higher, of course, throughout the summer, and towards around the end of August, we're going to be pushing up. Okay, we're going to be definitely pushing up. We're going to be breaking this consolidation area for higher highs towards the 100K on Bitcoin. That is my prediction. Again, it's not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, do your own checks, whatever you got to do. That's just me looking at the chart and seeing what I'm seeing. And of course, again, when will I be nervous? If we do not hold this uptrend, okay? And if we do not hold this 200-day moving average. And if we break below that, then obviously, yeah, we could be looking here at around the 50K, 48K. We could come back to these levels right here, this line right here, 47, 48 level. That could definitely happen. And then, it's a whole different ballpark. Okay, it's a whole different ball game. We got to go ahead and look at what we're going to be doing from there. But it's not a trade. Okay, basically, that's not something that I'd be looking to trade in any case. Anyway. So that's what we got to look out for. We're there right now. Of course, we're going to be updating the next few days. I don't think there's a reason to update every single day, obviously, on the price. I mean, we got to let it work. We got to let the market do what the market does, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and let that happen. I'll keep you posted then, I guess, the upcoming days, possibly by the end of the week. Safe trading, good trading, guys. All the best for now. Bye-bye.